Hi, this is Kim from Sage Online, and I am going to walk you through Self-Service Budget, which will be implemented in early 2020 and replaces the current Sage Advisor mechanism in which users access their budget detail. Let's get started. So I'm currently on my homepage for self-service, and as you can see, I have different modules. In order to access the budget module, we're going to go to Financial Management. In financial management, you can check your cost centers, you can add filters, you can get a grid display, or you can get a list view. You can actually do multiple years of access, so you can look year to year, and you can export your data into an Excel spreadsheet, and I will go over this for you. So let's get started. For demonstration purposes, I've been given a budget line that is not my current budget line, but a budget line that I can access. So I am going to put in 422 and I'm going to apply filter. So as you can see, I have it set up. It's coming up as finance and administration. There's budgeted expenses, actual expenses, remaining expenses, and it gives you a percentage of where you are in your financial health. Currently, I am maxed out. So I'm at 101% of my budget. So what I'm going to do is scroll down to fiscal year 2017 and then you'll see those numbers as well. Now, there are a couple of new features. What you're going to want to do is detail into this finance and administration line, and then this will actually break down each of your lines. So you can see your budgeted expense, your actual expenses, and the percentage of which you've spent and where you are in your financial health. So if I wanted to drill down even further, you could then click on a line here and it will give you the breakdown of journal entries or voucher numbers. Now I'm going to go back to the main portion of the cost center and I am going to export the data. So if I explode this again and then I click export, one moment. If I click export and download, you can see that my expenses are available to download in an Excel spreadsheet if you ever needed to do some analysis outside of the actual budget component. That is a basic walkthrough of the new budget component on self-service. Again, you can look at multiple fiscal years, so you can do some analysis of year over year. You can look at items in a grid format. So this is more of like a progress bar of where you are with your finances. You can get a listing. You can detail into your expense account and see your different budget lines. And you can really do any inquiry in regards to your budget that you wanted to review right here in the new self-service model. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact the Finance and Business Department, and we look forward to helping you. Thank you.